Classification of presses. Crank press. The crankshaft converts the flywheel's rotary motion into the ram's reciprocating motion through a connecting rod. Cam-driven press. A cam mechanism moves the ram up and down to produce reciprocating motion. Eccentric press. An eccentrically mounted connecting rod converts flywheel rotation into the ram's up and down motion. Knuckle press. A knuckle joint mechanism drives the ram to produce high pressing force near the end of the stroke. Toggle press. A toggle mechanism operates the ram and is commonly used in double and triple action presses. Rack and pinion press. A rack and pinion mechanism converts rotary motion into the ram's reciprocating motion. Screw press. A screw mechanism controls the ram's reciprocating motion to perform pressing operations.